Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Annabella Family TV. On this video I will be showing you guys how I make this beautiful look. Alright guys, stay tuned, let's learn together. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, comment, like and share. As you do so, may God bless you. Okay guys, see you guys later. Bye, love you. So guys, I've already used the soap to brush my eyebrows, so I'm just about to line it. So I'm just lining my brows, doing it little by little without pressure. Okay, so at the top I did not start from the beginning. I give it a little bit of space so that if I line it, it will look a little bit natural. So as you can see, I'm filling it in. I'm just filling it a little by little without pressure. So I'm just filling it. I'm filling it a little bit without pressure. Just doing it a little bit, okay? So this is the way I did the edge, so that it will look a little bit natural. It will be as if it is your hair that is there. So this is my concealer I normally use, as you guys know. So I normally use this concealer. So as a beginner, if you don't know how to clean your brows, if you don't know how to line it, just use it to touch it like a straight line. Use it to touch it a little bit. Or if you can't blend your concealer very well, I suggest you use your foundation. Yeah, foundation is also good for cleaning the brows, okay? So as you can see, I'm done cleaning my brows. So for this brush, I've been wondering what will I do with this brush. So I said, let me use it to brush my brows and see if it will be good. And guess guys, I love it. It's really nice. It brings out the hairs. So as you can see, I'm just using the same concealer I use in cleaning my brows. I put it at my crease, so I will blend it together. So I'm done blending. This is the palette I will be using from Fab Factory. So I will be using the orange color and the transition. So this is how I will be doing it. I will just line it. Like today I will be doing a full crease, okay? I've not done the full crease before, so I said let me have the confidence and do it, okay? So that is it. So I will be using the orange color to do the transition. Then I will use the brown color. So I will just have to blend it together, make sure it's okay. So guys, I'm still blending. I just have to blend it, blend. So I will be using a little bit of yellow so that it will pop out a little bit. So guys, I will be cutting my crease with the same concealer I've been using. So if you have not cut crease before, if you can't line it like me, I'm not too perfect in cutting crease, so I don't know how to line it that much. So all I will just be doing is I will just be touching it like a straight line a little bit, touching, like patting it a little bit, okay? So as you can see, I'm done cutting the crease. I'm just filling it with the concealer. So this is how it looks now. So I'll be using the palette from Sheer Glams. So I will be using the gold color. So I will be using the gold color. As you can see, just the way I'm doing it, I'm just patting it, like pat. All about eyeshadow is just patting. Okay, you don't have to rub it, you just have to be patting. So guys, I'm done. I just have to line my eyeliner. So I'm still struggling with the eyeliner, so I'm just doing it a little bit, lining it a little bit. I don't want to ruin my eyeshadow. So this is the mascara we'll be using. So guys, I just have to primer my face with the hydrating primer. Yeah, I love this primer very well. So guys, this is the foundation I will be using. Okay, so I don't want to use the matte foundation today, I just want to use this one. So guys, I'm just patting it, like, in fact, everything about makeup is patting. No scrubbing, no rubbing, no drawing, just patting. Okay, you just have to pat it. So guys, I'm done with my foundation. So I just want to highlight my face a little bit. So I'm still using the same concealer I've been using. Okay, you know, I always use this one. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, I'm just patting the concealer so I don't have to drag it out. I'm just patting it. I just want to allow the concealer to sit down there. Okay, that is why it's called highlighting. So I just want it to sit down there. That is why I'm just patting it in. I don't have to pat it out. I'm patting it in my skin. Okay. So guys, this is my instant smart spray, so I just have to spray it on my face. Okay, so guys, this is the look. How do I look? Yeah, so I tried. I know, because I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I did not even learn. Okay, I tried. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Please, please, please. Okay, all right guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. Okay guys, thank you for joining me. Thank you for learning with me. Like they say, practice make perfect. Okay, so I love you guys. Bye.